Hey, my friend DK here, and we're talking about the myEcon travel site. Now, this travel site has been getting a lot of attention recently, and that's because of the massive discounts and specifically exclusive gems and hidden treasures that are inside of this travel site that most people do not know about. Now, most of you should know at this point. If not, I'm going to cover them with you here right now. Is this travel membership, unlike any other travel membership, can get you up to 70% off of public prices. Let me just head right on over to the travel membership itself right here, okay? So yeah, number one, you can get up to 70% off public prices. I've done lots of other video comparisons here on my channel, okay? Number two, every single time you earn points when you book travel, meaning if you were to book a hotel, a cruise, a rental car, a flight, a full family vacation, whatever it is, you're going to earn points. You can use those points and redeem them for free travel. Okay. You can literally book and do some points, some cash, whatever you want to do, but you can redeem your points and help save you money on your travel. Okay. Lastly, and this is one of the best ones out there. Again, a lot of people don't realize with the myEcon travel membership, you get a 110% price match guarantee, which means if you're going to go out there and you're going to search Trivago, Travelocity, Expedia, Priceline, and you find a cheaper price elsewhere, the myEcon travel site will literally pay you the difference. Now, where else are you going to get that value with a travel membership? I could tell you where, right here and nowhere else. But there are some very special things that I want to share with you in this video that most people don't realize, okay? These are what I call hidden gems, hidden treasures buried within the travel site. First one I want to show you, we're going to go over here to where it says lifestyle, okay? Here's what's really awesome. Now, we all know that when you travel, you go out to eat, right? Typically, you're not going to not eat food when you travel, right? Here's what you need to know. This is very important. So the travel site has partnered with restaurant.com. You have the ability to buy $100 restaurant gift cards for literally $12.49. So I want you to think about next time you travel, okay? Whether it's, just for a business trip, whether it's, for personal pleasure, whatever it is, you're probably going to go out to eat. You now have the ability to do that at a fraction of the cost, okay? Restaurant.com is literally partnered with over 18,000 restaurants across the United States. So, my friend, if you're going to travel, travel well, okay? And travel smart, okay? Most people don't realize this hidden gem is here. They just think travel site, I'm going to try to save on travel. I'm going to try to save 50 bucks or 100 bucks or, whatever it is on a flight or a hotel or whatever. But you can really live it up with this travel membership, okay? Now, and what's cool is you can literally buy as many of these gift cards as you want, okay? And you can, again, save massive amounts of money when you're traveling and you're eating, okay? Now, the other thing I want to show you here is we're going to go right here, okay? This whole lifestyle section is filled with so much massive information and things for you. So worldwide tours, a wine club, transport and lounges. Okay, so again, when you are traveling, if you need access to specific airport lounges, if you need to organize transport, getting you from the airport to your hotel, whatever it is, again, you could do all of those things all in one spot here with the myEcon travel membership. Okay, the other hidden gem that really needs to be focused on here when you are booking travel is this little gem here called weeks. Now, this is often going to get overlooked because most people don't understand what weeks is and how to effectively use it. Now, I've done other videos here on the channel, but I want to highlight this again because it's such a great way to save massive amounts of money. So when you're looking at this, you have the option to choose all kinds of destinations from not only here in the United States, but all over the world. And what the weeks feature is it's very similar to a Vrbo or an Airbnb, where when you are using the weeks feature, you are literally renting property, or you are, getting hotel rooms, condos, cottages, You are literally getting that at a fraction of the price if you were to book directly through the resort, because you are renting from people that are renting out their condo space inside of these resorts, and they are offered here at huge, huge discounts. Okay. I've done so many price comparisons in other videos. All you have to do is go to my channel and just look up myEcon Travel, and you'll see some other comparisons that I've did. I'm not going to go deep into that in this video, but you have the opportunity to search all over the globe and receive some massive, massive discounts here. And again, you can compare this to if you were to book through the resort itself, you are saving massive, massive amounts of money. It's the same thing as if you were to go and, rent a nice hotel, or you were to go to an Airbnb in that same area. You can save massive amounts of money, and you can do this in a lot of these weeks that you can get here. You can find all-inclusive resorts, and yes, that's included in your weekly rental. And one of the ways that they're able to keep costs down, the reason why they call it weeks, is you are renting, or you are, getting this for 1 week at a time. And these are for 8 full days. It typically runs from a Saturday to a Saturday, or a Sunday to a Sunday. So you can go for a full 8 days and 7 nights. And this is how you can save massive, massive amounts of money. So if you're in myEcon and you're booking your next trip, please do yourself a favor and look at the weeks section here before you go booking your trip. And I'm telling you right now, it's going to save you a massive, massive amount of money. So I wanted to let you know about those 2 hidden gems. Again, these are very much overlooked gems that are inside of the myEcon travel membership. myEcon is so much more than just financial literacy, training, and education. They have great ways for you to save massive amounts of money, whether it be on eating food or travel, putting more money back in your bank account, saving on taxes, plain and simple. myEcon has you covered, my friend. Hope you got value from this video. If there's any other information that you want to see about myEcon, do me a favor, drop a comment down below. If you got value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you made it to this point in the video and you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Be sure to ring the bell icon and get notified anytime I upload new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you have any questions for me, I left my phone number right at the top of this video. If you're ready to get started with myEcon and be part of this very incredible and powerful business, link in the description down below. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.